we start the alignment from yesterday. We are pending some parts are pending in the alignment, and now I will show you what are the point we need to today we cover first alignment. First we are creative an alignment and some alignment with respect to in different based on your speed you can change that one. Just I make some bigger alignment for that. And some cases what happen we need to create the alignment some points with respect to our station with a offset of 5 meter or 6 meter or interval along the interval of our chainages. Okay.
I have a question. These lines in the vertical lines in the main line, what are these lines stands for? What do you call them?
Yeah, this line you are talking
Ah,
about.
it's the labels, sir. These labels. Okay.
Labels only, labels only.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is you want to change this label style also you can change. Edit
Oh,
go to
okay.
the label change in a major station. Go to
I
this.
see.
Yeah, you can go to and you come to layout on that. Okay.
Uh,
See there is the some text. This is the text relevant. Okay. You come to
uh,
on that border relevant. Okay. You can change all these things. Okay. And if you want to
okay.
change any other things also label everything you can change that one. Just you can modification that only. Okay.
Mm.
Just now see sometime what happened along the alignment you need to some interval of points with respect to some interval you need to some point required for the during some you need to some widening of that one that cases you need to interval of point required for along the chainage or the offset of some particular chain. Other case how
Mm.
to we can do you can go to the points in points create the point file and first you can go to the point creations and you can go to kept all manual automatic. ओके आप ऑटोमेटिक होने के बाद क्या करो जस्ट इधर वन सेकेंड हाँ इधर देखो इधर इधर एलिमेंट में जाकर इधर मेजर एलिमेंट है इसके ऊपर क्लिक करने के बाद इधर आस्किंग सेलेक्ट द एलिमेंट एलिमेंट सेलेक्ट किया ना
Uh,
कौन सा चैनल से स्टार्ट करने का है यूनिट स्टार्ट 0 यस जस्ट एंटर मैं अभी क्या करता हूँ 4 किलोमीटर तक नहीं करता हूँ ओनली 500 मीटर करता हूँ मैं जस्ट वी नीड
uh,
टू शो दैट व्हाट इज दैट वन कितना ऑफसेट जीरो चैनल जीरो ऑफसेट में चाहिए ना हमको अभी मैं ऑफसेट नहीं रखता हूँ आफ्टर दैट रखता हूँ जीरो ओके जीरो ऑफसेट में ही चाहिए मुझे कितना इंटरवल में चाहिए आई नीड टू एवरी 10 मीटर इंटरवल्स ओके सेम कैप्ट सी मेरा अभी ईच एवरी 10 मीटर को आ गया ओके सम टाइम में क्या करता है ना आपको ऑफसेट में चाहिए रहता है सम यू नीड टू वर्क सम इन wherever near to junctions on that case you need to some points to create that cases that case also same thing you can go to that one and select the measurement select the alignment okay and start chain is 0 okay again I mentioned the 500 enter what is the offset I want to offset 10 meter sorry 10 meter offset में चाहिए हाँ कितना 10 मीटर इंटरवल में चाहिए ओके सी आ गया ये तो ये राइट साइड हो गया लेफ्ट साइड करने के लिए क्या करने का अगेन वी गो टू द सेम थिंग क्लिक सेलेक्ट द एलिमेंट एंड जीरो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ चैनल्स 500 चैनल्स एंड ऑफसेट में क्या है ना इधर -10 रखने का एक साइड +10 रखेगा तो एक साइड -10 रखना पड़ता है जब क्या होता है ना एंटर सी ऐसा आप ऑफसेट में आप अलाइनमेंट ले सकते हैं ओके पॉइंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं okay this is the one method okay one point where we record in the on live project another thing is see some cases what happen ना okay अभी ये जीरो देखो अभी आपका एलिमेंट है जियोमेट्रिक है इसको अभी जीरो एंटिटी है इधर इधर जाकर एडिट में जाकर इधर चेक किया ना आपका जीरो एंटिटी मिल रहा था बट यू नीड टू रिमूव दिस वन otherwise it is generated in your report at that case what you do we need to go just simply you can just export your land xml okay see the select this one and mention in 001 I just save okay and close this one okay now again you can create a just you can go to insert and land xml again 001 open see we have entity of that can just export on. Now you can just select your element. Sorry, select your element. Go to a geometric editor. See, there is no zero entity now. See, it is removed. Just you can jot one things. Next,
So the process of drawing road
uh,
is that you have to create alignment first and then you draw the profile, right?
yeah, first process of road drawing is first you need to import the points. You to analyze the points. This point, the points are any variation of elevation with respect to not more than, for if it is plain, it is not more than 10 meter. If it is hilly terrain area, it is not more than the per kilometer, not more than 10 meters.
Per
Rises
kilometer,
10 to 12 meter,
this
not
is the
more than.
rule.
This is the thumb rule, not standard rule. Okay, all
Per
over
10 kilometer,
per 10 kilometer, 10 to 12 meters. Okay,
so
in
meaning 1 kilometer, 1 meter.
1 meter. Little. This is the. I am talking about the maximum side. Almost all, if it is plain, also good. That is not an issue for that. Plain and plain and rolling terrain is almost all equal to flat. Okay,
Mm.
but however your terrain, you need to design your horizontal road and vertical road within a vertical profile within a 7% or 8%. Okay,
Slope.
slope. Yes, yes. But if you are come to the wind, you need to address up to what 25 to 22 vertical percentage slope for wind projects.
What is wind project?
Solar and wind, you heard that?
Ah, yeah, okay.
That is the, you need to address at least 25 percentage of vertical slope.
Solar, what do you mean solar? What happens with the solar?
1 second, I will show you. See, this is the, these wind project are there na. There are
Mm.
generally 90 percentage of projects on hilly terrain only, not
Ah,
flat area.
okay.
Your hilly
Okay.
terrain, just like a vertical slope. It is not a, just like a plain road. You gradually increase your vertical slope. It is not possible in this terrain. At that case,
Mm.
what you do, you need to design your vertical profile. Just simply see. I will make a polyline. Simply, you are go to the go to the vertical line. Now horizontal around 10 to 15 percentage. Literally within a 15 meter, within a 50 meter or 60 meter. Okay,
Mm.
at that case, wherever the your vertical flow is greater than 10 percentage, that the case you need to provide the concrete slabs, concrete payment, not general payments
Mm.
for resistance purpose. In you heard South Korean projects, South Korea, Vietnam, these are the mountainous areas.
Mm.
This is not easy to do the design on that areas. At that case, we need to design 22% vertical slope. Literally, I done on 5 to 10 projects on that vertical slope totally with a horizontal radius of more than 60 meter. That
Great.
both constant are there on that case. Okay.